If your brand's website runs on Salesforce Commerce Cloud, you already know this isn't a basic e-commerce setup. You're on Salesforce because you care about personalization, scalability, and high-end customer experience. And for brands like yours, owning that customer relationship has never been more important. A mobile app is your next step. It's a stronger touch point with your best customers, your most valuable customers. And I'm going to show you the best way to build one. Here's the challenge. Salesforce Commerce Cloud sites are complex by design. You've got custom integrations, advanced logic, and multi-currency setups. That sophistication makes building a native app difficult and expensive. A custom app project can run you 6 figures, take 6 to 12 months to complete, and add yet another tech stack for your team to manage. And most no-code app builders, well, they're simply not built for Salesforce Commerce Cloud. They struggle with custom APIs, dynamic content, and a level of polish that your brand expects. That's exactly where MobiLoud comes in. It's built for complex, enterprise-grade platforms like Salesforce Commerce Cloud. MobiLoud turns your existing website into a native mobile app with all its custom features, logic, and integrations. No rebuild, no missing features, and no compromise on design or user experience. Your app mirrors your site perfectly. This is the same branding, same functionality, and it's fully synced in real time. You manage everything through your existing backend, like merchandising, promos, design, and features, while your mobile app updates automatically. And we handle all the heavy lifting like development, QA, App Store submissions, and ongoing maintenance. You don't need an internal dev team or an agency on a $15,000 retainer. Your app simply runs on autopilot. It doesn't matter how complex your setup is, multi-region, multi-currency, B2B, wholesale, or custom components, MobiLoud can handle it. We work with over 150 e-commerce brands, including global brands like Jack & Jones, Veramoda, and John Varvatos, helping them launch high-level mobile apps fully compatible with their store. And we can do the same for you. With MobiLoud, you get a powerful, fully branded mobile app without rebuilding, without managing 2 platforms, and at a fraction of the cost of traditional development. You'll strengthen your customer relationships, unlock push notifications, and turn your most valuable buyers into loyal repeat customers. If your store runs on Salesforce Commerce Cloud, MobiLoud is the fastest, smartest way to launch your own mobile app. Go to MobiLoud.com to see how we can build an app as sophisticated as your store without the complexity.